Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. You know, it's impromptu. This is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, and I had some RV problems. Now, you know, we are campers, campers for life. We're in Albany, Georgia, but right outside of Albany is this wonderful RV store. I'm talking about it's the only game in town, and we needed some repairs for our RV, and this gentleman happened to open at 8. Now, in the country in the South, they open early because, you know, we're from Florida and things open at 9 unless you're at Home Depot. But we're looking for a specialty item. We had a problem. It was cold, and we had some friendly four-legged friends to come into our RV, and they made a mess. Yes, we had some mice, and they came in, and we're repairing the RV. So look at this wonderful, wonderful store. And this gentleman here, I want to put him on blast because if you're camping and you have an RV, you know, rent is high, mortgages are high, people are going to RVs. This is the place to be. We had a problem with our vent, so we wanted to repair and replace our vent. He has great prices, and guess what? It doesn't matter. If you need it, you need it. Okay, don't worry about the price because we're in the country and nobody can help us right now. So we're calling it a do-it-yourself type place. And look at this right here. This is something that I bought. I bought these vents because the RV is an older RV, but it's a beautiful RV. And we replaced these vents. Now, these are AC cylinders that we put in top of the RV. So if you're doing any type of luxury living outside of your home, or if you still like to live in an RV, you want to find a great place that has repair parts, quality repair parts to go into your RV. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, and I am touring this gentleman's shop. And I want you, if you're in the neighborhood, to please come by and support him. And if you're anywhere in this area of Tifton, Georgia, any place, Albany, Georgia, Camilla, Georgia, his place is gonna pop up. So you don't wanna miss out on knowing exactly where he is. These little things right here, this is some things that we bought to repair the RV. These little elbows, these other little gadgets we got, these are some things we bought for our RV. And we needed some propane. Guess what? He has propane. He also have a dollar aisle. If you want to get some things for your RV and you can't find it, you want to come right here. You want a battery? He has that as well. If you're looking for a tow hauler, tow hauler? If you're looking for the part that goes to hitch your RV to your truck, you want to come check him out. Like I said, it's a great little cozy shop right in Sylvester, Georgia. And there's a great hot dog stand across the street that we eat at all the time. So you want to come in and you want to check him out. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, but I want him to say something to you before we close out this video.
Hi, I'm Greg from RV South, and we'd love for you to come down and check us out, buy something from the showroom, or get a repair done.
Can you give them your phone number also?
The phone number is 229-206-1344. We're at rvsouth.com on the internet.
rvsouth.com. You want to check him out. Give him a shout out. Make his phone ring. Make his cash register ring also. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations. Please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.